If your son is into gaming, then this rolling backpack is going to be a hit. So this is actually a 3-piece. It comes with this backpack, a pencil holder, and it comes with this lunchbox. This is what it looks like inside the lunchbox, and this can hold a lot of pencils. So this backpack actually has a lot of zippers. So in the front itself has a front zipper for this one, and then it also has a front zipper for this. Then it has 2 zippers for here and here. So that is going to hold a lot of space. It also has this little pocket design right here, so organization is going to be easier. So these reflective stripes are pretty cool. It gives them just a little bit more visibility for when they're walking to school. So on the side, you also have a little mesh pocket on both sides, which can hold their drinks. So this pencil holder can fit easily in here. Their lunchbox can fit easily in here, which still leaves room for their laptop and books on this back side over here. So it's made of tough nylon with a soft lining, and it's water resistant, so perfect for school. The wheels are quiet and the handle is easy for kids to pull without tipping. So whether this is for school or just looking cool, this backpack is sturdy, spacious, and definitely kid approved.